think the recommended amount of sleep is
More than
7, 8 hours of sleep. I'm not sure how it works by getting like 5 or less of sleep, but we it's okay. We got a beach day today, so all we got to do is relax and have fun with our friends. So
That's right.
I don't think that's going to be a problem. We're heading up to breakfast, actually in the dining room this morning,
Yes.
because first time ever.
Is it? Oh yeah.
We've always done C-Day brunch.
Well, isn't that just really kind of almost the same as breakfast?
Maybe.
Sort of a little bit, kind
Yeah.
of maybe.
Yep. So we're meeting a few people for that, and then we're gonna hopefully get off the ship. It's gonna be fun. We're not there yet. Still moving. Not sure what time we plan to be there. All right, let's go inside. I do have coffee and some snacks, juice, fruit, just some small stuff. If you don't want to make the run up to the buffet, you can actually grab stuff right here.
The question. I know, right?
I know. We've got lots of people going for breakfast.
Now we have our
What are we? 8,
Packed it all
2,
up, right?
4, 6, 8, 10. We're 10.
Oh yeah. No, I haven't packed it up yet. I'm
All
trying.
right, we're 10. There's little
We're going to party all morning and everybody.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Oh, they went to Italian late. They had to work.
We're not drinking tonight.
I just can't get over these lovely faces that I get to spend the day with today. This is like half of us.
I agree. Thank you.
Smiling
We haven't
faces.
moved like this since the weekend. I enjoy this. It means a lot to me. I love this event.
Yeah, I got
That
something
much.
different.
That's
I
exactly
got
how much
tomato
I care.
juice.
I've seen some of the crap.
And I got my coffee. This is not different with my almond milk. And then here's my grapes. You guys, look how exciting that is. We have Danish with a view. Danish.
Danish with the view.
Did you order the view?
I didn't order the view, but it did come as a bonus.
Nice. Okay, look at that. This is the breakfast board that Jenna's been waiting for all week. It's got some meats and some greens and eggs and toast. Special toast.
Sourdough.
Sourdough. Oh. So she's pretty happy. She's
very
thrilled.
excited.
We're very generous with the bacon.
Last night it
Oh,
was
yes.
for 20
An egg.
but today.
So that
I
looks
love
kind of
that.
yummy.
That doesn't make sense.
It's not the best plating.
I think we all have food now. Bon appetit, everyone. We've got a little doggy bag, literally. We're gonna feed the dog.
Oh my goodness.
Yay, I don't have to. That's awesome. You guys, I wasn't even thinking of that. Yay.
Now?
All right, so we are in Grand Turk and we've been here for like an hour, something like that. And they're not letting us off the ship. And the other ship that's here, they're letting people on and off, no problem. Oh, this is the wrong side, I think. Yeah, let's go the other side. So we're all wondering, why aren't they letting us off the ship? Getting a little worried here. So let's go the other side, peek out. This is the port that I was really looking forward to. Like, this is one that I was like, my heart, I gotta see this one. It's bucket list worthy. And yeah, this is trouble. So loads and loads of people just waiting and sitting around and looking. Interesting. Here's Grand Turk. I'm really excited about this. I hope they let us out. That is beautiful and incredible. We don't know if we're gonna be able to get off, you guys. That water looks just amazing. And swim in the ocean. This just looks amazing, and I can't even believe I'm standing here. But I hope they let us off. My heart is breaking now. I have this bad feeling that we're not going to be able to get off. It really is breaking my heart, but you never know. Positive thinking. I'm gonna go back inside. It's such beautiful water, just amazing. Pretty blue sky, can't get any prettier than it is right now. And we're just looking at it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get off or not. We will find out. All right, Jenna, show me. Aw, you're precious. We're all here.
I guess I should go out.
We're all here sitting and waiting for the answer that we know, we think we know.
It's got something to do with.
Kind of sense
We're
it
getting more
coming.
credit.
But we're gonna make the best of our day. We don't know what's going on. We just heard.
You get married.
We just heard Michelle say, let's go get a wedding. That's a good one, I think.
Listen, let's all go pick out a ring for him right now.
Well, I think we might go catch some rays upstairs because we don't know an answer yet, and we're gonna try to find our happy today somehow. We'll find our happy.
Yeah, we'll find our happy one way or another. Always happy. That's the way to be.
Yep.
Only way to live life.
Right? Go with the flow, guys. Going with the flow. All right. So this is what happens. We've not got an official word yet. At least there's sunshine. We got sunshine. Literally every chair is full. The pool is full. Oh man. Thebomb.com. Yeah.
And this is my first chocolate straw I ever had.
It's gonna get all soggy, you know.
I know.
Oh, no comment. US as a Friday morning was 14.
Hey, I just talked to Cantina guy, and he said, oh, we'll get off the ship.
Thanks what we're getting.
Really?
I said, we will? I said, we've been waiting 2 hours. Oh, yeah, that's nothing. I'm like,
All right. Jenna got me a coffee. Jenna, thank you so much. You're very welcome. You're very sweet.
Yep.
And Scotto got Ryan a coffee.
I got a coffee. Actually, it's not coffee. It's a mocha. Yeah.
That's a treat too.
Out of wine that you asked for last night.
Listen.
listen. But she came over and said, hey, let's go do this. And I was like, okay, how's it getting up? He's like,
What is that?
It's a secret surprise.
Jenna, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
what is this? Shots?
This is a shot of wine.
Shot of wine? No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Legit shot of wine.
A shot of wine?
It goes back from last night.
It's an inside joke.
Yeah.
Yours is
We ain't gonna use it though.
Tea?
yeah.
No, last night we
Cinnamon herbal tea?
My day just got better. All right. Well, it looks like since there are people that are sick and there's people that are being evacuated, we can't get off yet. I don't know if we will. The Ada ship we saw yesterday is quarantined in the ocean.
In the middle of the ocean.
that they were nervous about.
My gosh, it's crazy. That's crazy. What did they say?
I read that somebody posted that on that Facebook Magic page.
Yeah.
That because we were in St. Martin had a couple confirmed cases of coronavirus.
Yeah.
They were nervous about.
Oh, Ada is quarantined in the middle of the ocean.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's crazy. That was crazy.
Anna.
I didn't do anything of the sort.
Jenna's troublemaker back there. But she did give me a wine shot. A little baby wine shot. I'm gonna stop at my room and I'll be back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously. What's going on? All right. I'm gonna drop off my beach bag because I don't need it to walk around the ship. And yeah, might change out of my swimming suit. And then we're gonna go to Jenna's balcony and get some pictures.
See if this fits in your hand.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. We've got bartender Jenna over there. Cheers, you guys. To friends. That's the best.
Family and
World
quarantine.
peace. Quarantine. All right, so I'm gonna try to find some lunch. It's 2:30. 2:30. It's 2:30, and it's still busy in here. I think spirits are all kind of down, and we're trying to laugh it off and make the best of the situation. But it kind of sucks. Not only are we missing a port, but you know, there's potential for who knows what. So that's kind of what we're dealing with. We're gonna get some food. I'm pretty proud of this table here, guys. We've got 4 corners of salads and other things, but salads mostly. That's a movie right there. Good
This
job.
is everything but the kitchen sink.
Yeah, Mine is all very green, like very, and I got the platter size plate. So yeah.
That was smart.
It has a little lip so it doesn't fall out.
A little more room to spread things out.
Yeah, we finally have an update from the captain, and we are not going to be getting off here in Grand Turk. So yes, we get to see it, but not get to experience it this time. They did have to medically evacuate two medical people for situations, and that will be done shortly, and then we're going to be leaving. So we're going to have another sea day. So I don't know. I think they're adding stuff to the agenda for their schedule, and there'll be probably some fun stuff to do. But we're just going to...
Giving you $100 per person.
Oh yeah, they are doing that. They're giving us each person $100 onboard credit. So that's really kind of them to do. You know, they don't have to, but
I'm surprised.
they really tried, I guess. We don't know really all the whole story, but we suspect, you know, there's another ship that we were in port with, and also some cases in St. Martin where we did go, so they're just not allowing, the government's just not allowing us here. So we don't know all the details, but that's what we do know. So there we go. We'll just make the best of it. It's gonna be fine. We'll still have fun. I don't know what time we're leaving. If we feel the ship moving, I might have to go take a look to see us leaving the island. Guys, have to let it go, you know? Have to ride it to the piano bar. Our group is kind of meeting up there. They're doing a little drinking game or whatever. So maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Right, Tom?
Just smell that.
What do we got here? What are you all feeling?
Taste it.
Sunscreen? It smells like coconut.
It even comes with seals. It was sealed over with that thing.
We're gonna drink sunscreen, everyone.
All right. How's it going?
Is it organic? Make sure it's organic.
Organic, yeah.
I made the
Turtle friendly.
yeah, it was good. Fireball and champagne.
Warm champagne.
Here we go. Ready? Danny? Here we go. Oh, I told you next time.
Black 26.
Black 26. So black 26.
Yeah, that's why I said
Plain alcohol.
Hey, I'll do one more of those. Kane Chesney.
we are turning fast. All right, Brian
Now, what
is
am I
ready to
doing?
get a royal flush right here.
That's the shots doing that activity.
It looks way less crowded right now back here. We're just gonna sit and enjoy the outside for just a while. So on our cruise here now, they canceled today, so they are inserting other games and events. And here's one of them. It's kind of interesting. These are characters filter failed. So there's some of them that are pretty obvious. Like this is Judi Dench right here. I don't know who that is. This was somebody from a show I didn't remember. I don't know.
So wait a minute, the show's over.
And this is not Donald
Show's over.
Trump.
You're here. You were in the show.
This is Halle Berry.
Where's the rest of the crew?
This is Shakira.
Where's where are they?
Snoop. And Jenna's gonna buy me a drink. Yay! I'm so excited. I get a French kiss.
Have you been hitting your limit? Have you been hitting
All
your limit?
right, Jenna, you're so sweet.
Like in the club?
She got me this drink. Cheers, honey. This is the French kiss. She gave me a French kiss. Isn't that sweet?
Everyone say Boston sucks. Oh, fuck.
Boston and Toronto worked it out. What do you know? Brian finally got 4 aces and a 2, which is a kicker, and that's $500.
2,000 quarters.
That's amazing.
That's a good hit.
That's amazing. All right. We're feeling better. We're having a good time. And we're going to head to the club. They have some classic throwback songs. So that's going to be fun. I don't know what's going to play. Hopefully they're good. Hopefully it's really good.